We got here. My homie Daniel is gonna show me how to change the oil to my vehicle. Cause I definitely don't know how to do it. Definitely trying to save some money for me and Kayli in the future. So yeah, let's go. So what are you doing now? Jacking my car up?
Yeah.
So I'll need one of these to perform an oil change.
Sometimes. I mean, it just depends. Use the car wraps, but the bumper system. Some on the tip of it. There was a whole load, it'd be like pouring out so fast. That's definitely less than, it's probably about a quart, maybe a little more.
How many supposed to be in there?
Usually, like this vehicle, they said 5 quarts. That's why we got 5. Like mine takes 6 quarts. Just wait it out. See how little is in there. That's the pan. Fill that. I don't have a socket big enough, so
what are you doing now?
taking the cap that the filter is in off. So it ain't been completely dry, bro.
What's that right there?
Oil filter. It's pretty much the cover that the filter sits in. It's dirty. Back in. Some people do it, some people don't.
Why you do that for?
Pretty much priming it. Just put a little on there, that way it's kind of already soaking wet.
Gotcha.
Just taking the seal off right here.
Now what are you doing now?
It's just a little gasket seal. You want to change those out too. Get your new one, put it on there. Get it on there. Just throw some oil on it. That way it's good and lubricated. You put it in.
done?
All done.
So you just need a couple of, screw this off, pour that out, screw it back in, get the filter out, put the filter in, get your quart of oil, your funnel. What'd you say? 5 quarts of oil. Pour it in there. And done.
Done. Save $100.
I appreciate you, man.